Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
How are you guys?
Very good, thank you.
Very good.
I have few questions for you. Can you please answer what is ISKCON and what do you stand for?
So ISKCON is the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, and it is founded on Vedic wisdom from the East, and it has been brought to the West. All over the world, you'll find an ISKCON, or otherwise known as a Hare Krishna temple.
Amazing. I know that we have some exciting news to share, right? So,
Yes.
Ms. Rupali, what news do you want to share to all the people about the event?
Of course. So this year we are celebrating second annual Kids Rath Yatra Chariot Fest. So which is gonna happen on 31st May 2026 on Sunday, and it will be starting. The event will be starting from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this is free event. So we do have Eventbrite link posted everywhere. So please do not forget to book the tickets, free tickets, because we need to know proper prasadam count so that everybody will come and they can scan the code and they will get the free meal. So yeah.
So it's a beautiful event happening in Niagara Falls. Did you say there's free food, free prasad for every devotee that comes? There's chanting, songs, everything, right?
Yes, everything is free.
Amazing. What's your audience for this event? Who are you targeting?
So in beautiful Niagara Falls, here we have a lovely venue that will welcome families of all sizes. The event itself is especially for children. So families, bring your children, bring your relatives and friends, but everybody is welcome.
Since when have you been a part of ISKCON? Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
So we've been a part of ISKCON since childhood. Me in particular, since South Africa, like I mentioned, it's a global organization. So we had the opportunity to be introduced to ISKCON at a very early age. And we just want to share what we have that we love so much with all of the kids and families all over. And here in Niagara Falls, we couldn't have asked for a better place, especially this summer, to welcome people to celebrate with us in this wonderful festival.
Can people join from United States of America? Can they come from America as well?
That's such a good question. We have a lot of visitors coming in from America, and we do host them quite often, so they will be coming as well.
Can you tell us a bit more about the activities happening at Kids Rath Yatra? What are the activities that will be taking place?
Yes, so the event will start at 3 p.m. Everybody will gather until then, and at 4 p.m. we will start the Kids Chariot Rath Yatra. So where kids will be pulling the rath, which we have prepared. Like our rath making team is preparing the proper rath, which will be comfortable for kids to pull the rath, and everybody will get the chance for pulling the Lord Jagannath Rath. After that, we will be having cultural performances. So it will be from different multicultural communities. It is not only Indian community, but we are trying to get another communities as well for participating in the cultural performance.
Have you seen a lot of support in Niagara Falls for ISKCON Temple and your organization? Have you seen a lot of support?
A tremendous amount of support. We have been welcomed by the city of Niagara Falls, from our mayors to the wonderful councillors, who all show great support for us here in Niagara
Amazing.
Falls.
Are there any dignitaries and any officials that will be coming to the event?
Yes, so Mona Patel and Mayor Jim Diorti, so they said, like, we recently had that public council meeting, and they really showed us a great support, and they said all the councillors and everybody, they will come, and very soon they will also promote the event. That is what we have discussed. So we are so happy that we got support from the city of Niagara Falls.
Amazing.
And yeah, very soon they will.
How many people are you expecting will be coming to the event? What's your expectation?
So, like, when last year we planned for, like, it was the first annual Rath Yatra, Kids Chariot Rath Yatra. So that time we planned for 700 to 800 people, but 500 to 600 people showed up. But this year we are thinking we got more chance. We started planning from almost from January. So we are assuming 4,000 to 5,000 people should come, because the way we are promoting this event and everybody is supporting, and especially you are also supporting as our media partner. So that is really helping us a lot to reaching out to more and more people, not only in the Niagara region, but in GTA area, in US and everywhere. I can see multiple new faces are joining and booking the tickets, and I'm really happy to meet new people, new faces, and I really want everybody to enjoy and come for this event.
I think for this kind of event, people should join us from all across Ontario, from
Yes.
Mississauga, Toronto, Caledon, Brampton, Oakville, from everywhere. I think we should encourage those people as well, Ms.
Yes,
Pooja, right?
absolutely.
Like to say.
We invite everybody across the GTA to come to a wonderful Niagara Falls and enjoy the festivities with us. We welcome you all. It's going to be beautiful. It's May 31st, and you're going to have a fabulous time.
Where is the event happening? Where is the location? Like, is it right here where we are standing at Niagara Falls? Beautiful Niagara Falls, or someplace else?
So it is in Fireman's Park. It is one of the biggest park in the Niagara region, where 5 to 6,000 people or more than that people can fit. So we do have proper organizing team to do the proper arrangement, and we do have more volunteers, and we are welcoming more volunteers to organize this event in proper way. So the main address is 2275 Dorchester Road, Fireman's Park.
And people need to book their tickets in advance, right? So
Yes.
you can have an amazing count.
Yes, so that like the prasadam, the feast we make, we just it is good for us to know the number, so that our prasadam team, the feast team, will make the proper amount in the feast, so that nobody should go without feast. So that is the main reason for opening this Eventbrite link.
Why do you think ISKCON is necessary in this time and age in 2026 in Niagara Falls and Canada? Why is ISKCON such an important organization? What does it stand for? Why is it important?
So ISKCON is a wonderful organization geared towards healthy living, higher thinking, and simple living. And it teaches us the age-old wisdom from time long ago. So it really teaches people how to build community in a healthy, safe way. And it's excellent for the children to grow up with good association. So we really try and welcome everybody and teach everybody and share with everybody the knowledge that we've been so blessed to have.
I think the message that we would like to share also is that it's not an Indian movement
Correct.
or Indian culture
Yes.
heritage. It's for everyone, for every
That's
human
true.
being
Yes.
that would like to feel peaceful. Would you like to say anything in terms of that? Is it for everyone?
Yes, so we are inviting every community, like Chinese, Korean, Vietnamese, every community. It's not only for Indian community, but everybody who is really looking for some kind of event where kids can have fun. It is really beautiful event for families, where they can have nice time, and with the multiple activities. Even we are planning magician show as well, which will
Wow.
be very grateful for kids. They would really like to enjoy.
Yeah.
And some things might be surprising for kids, some kind of games. So we are still working on that. But please try to join this event. Then you will get to know so many
Amazing.
things.
31st May is very far from us from now. Are there any events happening before 31st May? Let's say your regular Sunday pujas or anything like that that you would like to promote people, so that people can join you before the event, you know? Where can they join you? Like,
So we
what
do have Narsimha Chaturthi on next Sunday. What is the date?
in
So-
7 days from now.
In 7 days, yeah. So we do have Narsimha Chaturthi, which is we are celebrating as a big festival, and of course we are going to promote our Rath Yatra on that day as well. So many people we are hoping to come and join this Narsimha Chaturthi, where all the people, all the communities will come. We will have some cultural performance inside the hall in the Fireman's Park itself. So please join our Narsimha festival, so that you will get to know more details about the
And what are the
chariot race.
regular activities that ISKCON Niagara does? Like, for example, on Sunday, what do you guys do? On Tuesday, what do you guys do? Do you guys do something special that people can join as well?
So normally we conduct the programs every Sunday, where like especially there is a kids school. Like you can talk about it more.
Sure. So we do have a running Sunday school from ages 5 to 15 years old. Every Sunday at our Sunday feast in Niagara Falls at the Fireman's Hall. Everyone is welcome. There's a free feast as well. And there's a lecture for the adults as well.
Amazing. Are there any ending remarks, any final comments that you would like to give people that are looking forward to join you?
If you love music and you love celebration with your family and friends, ISKCON is known for its wonderful, lively music. There won't be a dull moment at all. I'm sure you will all enjoy.
Amazing. What about you, Mr. Pali? Would you like
Yeah.
to say?
So if in this stressful time in the world, if you are looking for some happiness, and if you want to spend some beautiful time with your kids and with your family, then please do not miss this festival, because this second annual Kids Rath Yatra Chariot Fest is gonna be wonderful festival. It is gonna be really great, and I'm hoping you should come and enjoy and feel the happiness, feel the vibe of the event. That is the main thing. So I would like to invite all of you. Thank you so much. Hare
In the
Krishna.
end, yes, Hare Krishna. In the end, I would also like to add that this is my first time meeting with ISKCON and working together with a collaboration with you. And it's been wonderful. It's so lively energy. People are so much welcoming. And I'm so happy to be a part of it as well. So thank you so much for having us in Niagara Falls, beautiful Niagara and Niagara ISKCON. Thank you so much for this wonderful episode, this podcast, to let people know. Finally, let us know about the dates and timings,
Yeah.
and we call it.
Yes, so please join us on 31st of May 2026 on Sunday from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. And do not forget to book the event free ticket so that everybody will go with the full proper feast and enjoy full event until 8 p.m.
Thank you so much, everyone. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna